Hello, my name is Richard Rudis, Sanam Dorje. I've been practicing gong bath concerts for the last 30 years or so, and I'd like to bring that practice, the science and the tradition of my experience into a workshop, a Zoom workshop that will certainly expand each of our practices. It'll be open forum opportunity, so a lot of questions and answers. And the subject matter is pretty detailed. As I say, it's based on science, the science of, and the tradition of. Tradition, basically Eastern tradition. Tibetan is my primary focus. So if you're interested, it's going to start June 11th, and the details I'll send to you. At Just email me at Rudis10. That is Rudis Rudis 10 at cox.net, and I will send out the information and we can discuss it. Okay, thanks a lot. Goodbye.